I feel like I'm slacking because I didn't publish anything this past Monday. It's been a really crazy week, and I hope to God next week is not crazier than this past week or couple weeks has been. So anyway, yeah, I'm back. Oh, look at that. It's a notification saying I'm live. That's great. Oh, Discord announcement went out too this time. That's great.
Yeah, I just got that on mine.
Yeah. So yeah, I've been doing like nips and tucks here and there, but I mean, not it's a big deal. Not that I'm going for something, but I got 12 currently in the can. Mostly, I've got to do the back end work with them, with many of them, including. Oh, look at that! I got a push from LinkedIn too. Okay, that's great. It's funny. Like tonight is the night that all the push notifications come in. Why is it? Oh, Twitch isn't going yet because I forgot. Of course, I forgot this. I always forget. I close the window, but I forget to end the broadcast. Let's see here. End broadcast. Where are you? Not this full broadcast, but let me. Where the F is the? How do I? Where's the? I thought I could do it separately, but I guess not. Okay, give me a second. I'll have the other networks up and going soon. As soon as I figure out what's going on here. Meanwhile, enjoy the ribbons because that was one of the things that I actually did this today. Of all things, I did it today.
Really?
This ribbon thing, yeah. But it's got what's cool about it is you can randomize the settings, and then it's a different visualization. You could export, the wallpaper, like it's all sorts, and then the sliders, right? You can like change everything about it. Isn't that cool? Yeah. I mean, like there's some settings it's like, okay, that's a little crappy, but like then you go to others like this one, I'm just like, whoa, dude.
No, yeah, I mean, I like it. It's interesting.
Yeah, it's based on a mathematical formula. Okay, so now I have to do this. Give me a second.
What formula did you use? Was it something that you pulled off of X or?
Yeah, I found it on X. Like, whoa, that's pretty cool.
I had been doing that a few times. I saw some that some people made, and it was kind of interesting how they came up with that.
They're a little snaggy at first, and then I work through them and keep going through them, and eventually, like, I can get something to come out of it. And so that's actually another thing that I've got to kind of address here tonight, or what I wanted to do tonight before closing. All these sliders should impact the graphic, right? Just it's bizarre. I mean, this is all math. This is all just like everything about it is just like, whoa, this is freaking wild. This is so cool.
Yeah, right. I saw one where it was like a little creature that would follow your mouse around, but it was all math. Yeah,
I hadn't seen that one yet. This is Sonic Bloom. So this is another one that I did. This is a little different. It's similar, but I think reset. There we go. This is the original Sonic Bloom. Hang on, did I capture a Sonic Bloom? I did. That's a different visualization, right? So I've got a few visualizations. So this one's obviously different, right? A little grittier than the other one, but again, based on a mathematical formula, right? And then the default was a mathematical formula, or the way it rendered a default, just like the way it rendered a default of those ribbons. The default for this one was different too. So I was like, whoa, dude, that's pretty cool. So the fact that you could like go to any particular random, or like knobs and dials, camera color, all this stuff, and then you could export a wallpaper, I think is pretty wild. So I did that one. That one was a pretty quick one too. This one took freaking forever. This is a crop circle app. Look at that.
Oh yeah, that's
so this is how it came out. Like it is clearly not perfect, but you can at least download. You can contact the aliens again. See if I hit refresh and contact aliens, the one crop disappears, and then another one theoretically, as it's contacting, it should be like loading, contacting another one will appear, and then you could export 4K. So I got this. I feel like mostly working. well enough. And then aqua rings. I ended up kind of giving up on the idea of a ring game. And so this is the rings fall, but then you can click the rings and they blow up, they dust up in the water, and you just kind of you point at them and you hold your button and you point at them. I feel like, if people like go and click around, they'll figure it out. Like if they click a ring, they'll see what happens, right?
Mhm.
Like, and then so they'll play with it. It's just kind of like a visual, just a little toy of sorts. I just couldn't get the physics of the game working, so I'm just gonna go with that. Typing speed challenge was kind of fun. Someone had said, "Oh, I made a typing speed game." I'm like, "Oh, really? I wonder what that is." So this is, so you type in a letter and then it'll tell you, oops, how fast. You don't have to hit enter though. Oh man, I'm sucking today. I think that I have a faster WPM than that, but I am kind of going slow. See, it's words per minute, right? Not.
Yeah.
But anyway, so typing.exe. That was a quick one. I'm like, sure, why not? It might be a fun challenge for people. And then this one, I think I sent you this one when I was having problems with it earlier. I iterated a bit, and the idea is that it's a Zen Garden app, theoretically, right? Like it's mostly working. It's working as well as I could make it work. Like I still had problems with like the anti-aliasing of the sand as my virtual rake kind of came through it. But it works. Like it is a digital Zen garden that is not perfect, but you can pan around. I don't think, you can zoom in, then you can see like the sand granules, right? But yeah, so there's a Zen garden. Then this one, I pretty much finished. I think I started this one last week, but the idea is that you could choose different text and then render it differently, like type in different text and then it comes in differently, like tech. And then tech comes in differently, flickering, tech, diagonal wave. Not perfect, but I was like, it's just an experiment. This one was weird. I think I showed this one. Did I show this one last week?
Let's see.
I think I showed it last
no,
week.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, okay, I thought I did. You type a different letter, and like it pops up on the screen in a different font.
Okay.
Yeah, and then it makes a sound. So it's kind of a fun thing. I don't know. I just dinking around. I think I got this one mostly working. It is an STL exploder, right? And you can choose like different scales, like the explosion duration, like what happens, fragment spin, the amount of fragments, and you can drag and drop a different model. You can rebuild it, right? Move it around, and then bam. So this is just, again, kind of like, why not? So if you ever wanted to blow up an STL file, which, if you're not into 3D printing, you probably haven't wanted to do. This one needs to be, this is FluxWeaver. I think I showed this one last week. There's no randomizer in here because it's like, I don't know how many settings can necessarily be randomized beyond the default pattern, but I do.
Yeah, you were showing that one, yeah.
Yeah, and then Cyberpunk I showed, and then Synesthesia, which I want to work on a couple of these tonight to kind of finish up before kind of closing out. So that's what I've spent a lot of time on, but also not as much time as I might have in days prior, because I've been, like I said, my head is just kind of, it's not been where it should be, not been where I'd like it to be. What I want to do with synesthesia, I want to do something. Oh, here we go. Make it such that if the user holds down the mouse or continues to touch and hold the screen, that it produces a string of it continues to produce, in fact, effects until they let go. Okay, there's that one. Hopefully I don't run out of things tonight. FluxWeaver needs to go full, so this app needs to be the full viewport. Right now, there seem to be black bars on each side of it. And then Kinetic Craze, I think there was something that I didn't like about it. I can't remember what one it was. It was like one of these things. It was not like the other, but I ran into bugs and trying to fix them, so I just stopped. I'm like, forget it.
Right.
Like it's good enough, so I'm not gonna worry about that. ZenForce, Aquaforce, Crop Circles, Typing EXE, Sonic Bloom, Ribbon Waves. Okay, I think I'm okay. I think those two for now. Holding down the mouse or finger. Let's see if I can get these fixed. Apart from that, I have not been as readily inspired. Not to say, Chris, you're slowing down in your old age. No, my mind is somewhere else right now, quite honestly. So that put the brakes on a lot of it. But honestly, if I can get one good one out a week, I feel like I'm still doing well. So the fact that I can get 12 up and out there, I'm going to try to like I said, put the SEO stuff in there tonight, and then do a what's the word I'm looking for? Have them uploaded by Monday. These aren't I don't think any of these are currently quote unquote online. Oh, there's your. Oh, do you have a way to share rather than screen share?
Yeah, I'm still working on it, but this is something that didn't turn out right, but it's something I'm working on. Timeline of senses where it'll show all the different models and what their release dates are on the same timeline.
Oh, wow.
Just to go and keep track of like all the different and see just how many releases and when they are coming out, so you kind of estimate a timeline of when's the next thing coming out, that type of thing.
Yeah, Bozo Spade said you should only be using AI Studio by Google. Here's why I don't, because for what I'm doing, it's overkill. Like, this is what I'm doing. Like, I'm doing single page HTML apps, and so I don't want to work on like more complex things in terms of what it is that I'm doing. Like, I want to get something working, functional, up and online as just a single web page app. That's it. So anything above and beyond that, and I think I've done it with Google or the AI Studio, and it was overkill for what it was that I was trying to do. For everything that I've tried to do or wanted to do, at least initially, like for the fun, simple stuff, it's been just as fine to use the I don't have a default on this one, I guess. Yeah, it's been just fine using Google Gemini. That's the reason I use Gemini, because honestly, as far as creating nope, still about black bars. Nope, didn't fix it. Nope. I just love that. Take a screenshot. Nope. Okay, that's done. Do I even want to begin to do all the SEO stuff tonight? Do I even want to begin? And thank you, by the way, for the follow. It's very appreciated. Yeah, I love canvas mode. I'm pretty much all in on canvas mode. Okay, so I may not have directions built in, but I just feel that kind of get in the way. Maybe I should put warnings up, but I don't want to clutter things up, Okay, so let's see if I can do a good. Oh crap. What I need to get is a screen capture. That's what I need to get. That's the thing. And it's like, it's hard to get a screen capture when I'm touching the freaking screen. So it's gonna be, I don't know how I'm gonna get a good screen cap of this one. Apart from like if I do this, mic on, here we go, calibrating, mic on. Okay, hang on, why are you not working? Oh, probably because it's already being taken up by the other app. Dang it. Mic on. Mic off. Oh, now I can't see anything. Interesting. Oh, that's fascinating. Okay, did it break? Oh, schnit! Look at this. Oh no, it's building. It was building.
It was actually doing that same thing to me a second ago.
Okay, it was doing that earlier to me too. Okay, so I think that's a glitch with Google's updating the. They seem to be updating the preview while building building it.
Right.
That's why it flashes. Nope.
Yeah, I just noticed that just like half an hour ago. It was doing that to me.
The same thing happened when I was messing with it earlier. What can I do with this? Oh, I gotta report a bug. FluxWeaver. No, that's not FluxWeaver. It's synesthesia. Could the visuals stay around a little longer?
Let's see.
Quickly. Let's see here. Can't open canvas. What else did I need to add? Visuals stay around a little longer. What else? I turned on the mic. It didn't work, so I turned it off. Then the visuals didn't work, nor did autoplay until I fully refreshed the app. Okay, here's where I make changes and introduce bugs. Not what I want to do. Yeah, it's doing it again. Look. It's the error, but then as soon as you go into code, they might, I wonder if they're building a new feature.
I gotta fix that.
Yeah, it's a story of my life. Got here, I thought it was going to be simple, and then, no, what the hell? Like, okay, let's try it again. App should not correctly handle cases with microphone access denied. Autoplay, other reactions work properly. Okay, well, let's find out. Even if people run into bugs with the files that I uploaded, it's like...
Right. Yeah, I was trying to make this pinned messages app that is coming up on my screen right there. Basically, I set it up to a shortcut key that every time I press it, it updates it with the latest message that gets sent in. But the problem is yeah, it's not overlapping. It's trying to do one straight long message, and it's being cut off when the message is too large.
Don't break. There we go. Okay, oh yeah, that looks cool. Okay, let's find out what happens. Allow. Calibrating. Mic on. There we go. Okay, now let's see what happens when I do this and I talk and I'm going like this. Nah. Good enough. I needed it to. If someone was tuned in right, like at that moment, like, what is going on? I think that's how I spell synesthesia. Okay, so that still works. Come on. Do me good here, FluxWeaver. I may have to send this to Claude if it doesn't get this. Why is... Okay, I'm going to Claude this. if it's gonna work right now.
Do
Wasn't
you
working on
remember
the earlier.
JezzBall?
JezzBall was awesome, dude.
Yeah,
Oh
I
man,
recreated that one.
Did you? Yeah,
Yeah.
I tried. One of the first things I tried to do is create a Kix clone, QIX, which is close to JezzBall. Oh yeah, it's a great idea, dude.
Yeah, it's not
JezzBall
perfect
is
by any
so
means,
good.
but it's
But
workable.
I got it, man. I remember. Don't fix this. Tell me what's wrong, and why I'm seeing black bars flanking the visualization rather than being full viewport.
When I thought about it, like for the life of me, I couldn't remember what the name of it was.
Here we go. Now I can feed it back. I had a feeling it was somewhere in the script. Let's try that. I just love that sound. Google's got to know about that bug. They have to. Hey, Ashley. You Hollywood. How do I know that name? You Hollywood. How do I know that name? That sounds so familiar, but I don't know why. You have absolutely nailed it. Your analysis is 100%. You say that about everything. Okay, don't show me errors
Send
while
this
you're
over to
building.
you, Chris. Check this out.
Yeah. What do you?
This is something that I was working on the other day. Let's see if I can send it over to you.
Oh, that's right, Tommy. That's right. You Hollywood. I'm like, it sounded so familiar. It's been so long. Yeah, I'd have to pull it up here. Platformer game. Wait, is this JezzBall?
No, this is a different platformer game. But basically, what it is it'll generate a level for you, but it'll also allow you just to create one or edit the generated.
Oh, that's awesome, dude. I love this. So look, controls are a little.
Yeah, they're a little off. I did go and make some like falling spikes ones where if you go up and under it, it'll the spike will jitter and then it'll fall.
I could work with this.
And you can
hang on.
Theoretically, you should be able to save your game too.
Let me I'm like playing the game and you can't. I could work with this. This is great. This is an auto random placement.
Yeah, that one is there, and then you can hit the side menu there. It should be up in the top left corner there, and it'll let you edit it in real time.
It'll let you what?
It should be there.
Edit? I don't see it.
It'll let you edit it in real time.
There we go. I got through. Wait, I can't exit.
No, that's not an exit. That's just another piece on the board. I haven't actually made like a full.
Okay.
Full
Okay. This is cool though. I'm gonna iterate.
So you aren't able to see that side menu?
Side menu? I do not see it at all.
Weird. Let's see.
Copy the canvas out, and there's another random.
Try expanding the window up more.
Oh, there, it's a top menu.
Yeah.
Door, enemy.
And those keys work for those doors. They're color coded.
They're color coded. Oh, the key. I see.
So you place the key down, and then you place the door down. The door is actually 2 blocks thick or long, height wise.
Hang on. See, what I'm inclined to do is do this, but cut out the editor and just make it like an auto gen. Each level is winnable.
Well, sure. But what it allows you to do though is if the editor makes a mistake, or not editor, if the generation makes a mistake, you can edit it slightly and then just keep playing. in real time.
Yeah, I see what you're saying. I kind of ran into that the issue. It got unwieldy. That the other sideway, the platform scroller. I think the editor was just more like an exercise, like how complex is this, and it just got. I went way down the rabbit hole on that one.
Right.
And I'm like, it was very unwieldy.
Go ahead and place down a key and a door, and it should activate when you do it.
Okay, give me a second. Let me make sure I've got FluxWeaver fixed. I had a feeling it was that. Yeah, no, it's still there.
Oh wait, you know what? Looks like this version of it, the doors are not working. I thought this was the latest version. I guess it's not.
Oh, okay. Yeah, see, that's the problem with like this and the version control and stuff.
Let's see, here we go. Let me send you this one. Yeah, here we go. This is the newest one here.
Come on.
Okay, sent over.
Okay, cool. Thanks. Sanka. Oh yeah, now I see stuff here. What the hell? This is definitely different.
So click on your generation whenever you do load it up.
Generation.
Your level generation, it'll generate one. It doesn't have a starting location yet.
I see. Canon. Oh, I see. It's fine. Canon. I like the sound effects though.
Yeah. I don't think we can see your screen, but yeah.
Oh, sorry.
The
Oh crap.
No, you're all good.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna work with the first one that you sent.
Yeah. The second one has like a fog of war type effect to it.
Yeah,
so
like,
every time you die, it actually saves that the fog that you've uncovered already.
Okay, I see. Now the page is black. Now the app is black. Yeah, you screwed it up. Here, I thought I was done. Ran into a bug. Trying to concentrate.
So when you use the key on the door, it actually expands or retracts from the middle on both sides of the door until it disappears. It's kind of interesting.
You know you don't have a screen up now?
Oh yeah, I know. I gotta send it over. Let's see.
Where is? What do I need to do? I need to edit. That's what I need to do. Heap.
There you go. You should be able to see it now.
Okay. Oh, I see. Okay, you're going full. I thought you were gonna do windowed.
So I'm gonna go and put like a few spikes here just to show you how they ended up working. Let me fix that piece too. Oops. Okay. If I can get over to him. Yeah, here we go. I can only activate that first one because I didn't have any path to activate the other one. There we go. You can see they fall down as you get closer to them.
Did I Okay, here we go. There we go. Okay. Gemini. Synesthesia. Canvas.
In the second version that I sent you, is the movement and everything a little better than the other one?
I'd say it's a wash.
Yeah.
Oh my god! I finally fixed the bug. Yay! Fixed the bug. Okay, cool. That worked. Synesthesia.
You remember Commander Keen?
Not really. Never played it.
No, never played it. Yeah, it was an old DOS game.
I knew of it, but never played it. Keywords. Terminal vision. Oh shit! I needed to update that, didn't I? Frack. Oops. I can fix that though. That's easily fixed. That's just a global find and replace. The thing that you got to do after you do all this is like you add the tags, the global tags. Then you have to go in and you have to make sure you have to test the app because sometimes it moves JavaScript and then that breaks.
Right.
And it's just like or like the fonts layout, something sometimes will like bork. And I still have that typographic physics sandbox that I started, but I'm not sure if I want to do anything with it. I just kind of like ran out of not interest, but like how am I going to make this interesting?
Right.
Or interesting enough, I should say. Oh crap. See, look, fix the error. You broke it. It was working. Or I see what I did. I moved this and shouldn't have.
So this is how this door ends up working. So I can't get through the door right now. If I collect the key, which is this yellow piece here, now when I go to the door,
oh, it opens. I see.
Kind of.
How the F are you gonna get out with the damn spikes? You're done. You're dead. There's no way you can get through.
Yeah. I can't really go any further than this, honestly.
See, I think I'd simplify potentially and not let the user edit, but create playable levels like this, like on one screen at a time, and then generatively create the next one that's playable and winnable.
Right.
But keep the block sizes, everything's the same. Because I like the idea of it.
What do you think about the fog of war thing? I don't know.
It's interesting. I think I like the overview a little more.
Right.
Not that it's bad. So, have you tried? You did try a JezzBall?
Yeah. Let me pull that up here and see. JezzBall. Here we go.
I'm curious how it plays out. I'm just gonna try it real quick. You meant it's like, oh yeah, hell yeah.
I gotta wait for it to fix this error. It was working, before this.
Oh, I know. It's just like my stuff. Oh, it was working.
It was working, I swear.
Ball hit the wall. Click inside the game area to start building the wall, either horizontally or vertically. I'm trying to remember how it got played. Oh shit.
Yeah, basically you trap the ball in lower and lower spaces, or tighter and tighter spaces.
Did you move something when you did the SEO stuff? This is script error. Fix the typo. Let's see here. JezzBall. Okay, here we go. Click to start. Oh, wow. Wait. That didn't exactly work. But you got to trap the balls. Why is that ball not trapped? Wait, how? Seems kind of janky. I don't know, man. Let's go over
your
Claude.
version of it is a little bit for right now.
I'll try. I'm gonna shoot Claude. Shoot it to Claude. I can go to Grok too. See how Grok handles it. Then it's not the new Grok. It's the old Grok. JezzBall clone. I said a single web page.
So I don't know if you ever added those starter prompts that I was telling you about, but like for instance,
I don't quite understand why
you would need it.
Yeah.
Well, at least for me, so for one of the prompts, I've got it set up to tell me exactly what you're gonna do or your idea around fixing the issue that I have, what you're gonna do to the code before you do anything to the code. That way I can tell you whether that's the route that I want to take before you start coding anything. That way I don't have to sit there and then be like, oh, well, this is not what I wanted at all. You know, I don't have to sit there for it to code it before I can tell it already that that's not what I wanted.
Yeah, see, this
like,
is not
for instance, like right here, it says, I said, this doesn't let me start the game. So it says, I've identified the issue that's preventing the game from starting. The problem lies within how the game logic is initialized in reaction to the start game button event listener. And it's going to go and tell me exactly how it's going to fix it. And if I don't like it, I can go and say, don't do that. Do, this other one.
Yeah. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Okay, that worked.
Great. It's actually saved me quite a few times already of doing it a way that I wouldn't have done it.
But I still don't understand why. That's the thing. I don't understand why I would do that, and when, and where.
Why it would give you possibly the wrong way in which it wants to solve it?
Well, no, sorry, your puzzle? I thought you were talking about your chips, like what you're saving as you're doing the things that you sent me. I don't understand why I would do that, because like every time I'm doing something different.
Right. So at least with one of those, I have it set up to go and say, I have it set to tell me, I gave it the prompt, always tell me the change that you're going to make before you start writing code.
Okay, I see.
That one in particular is one that you might want to have, because that's saved me a lot of time in which I know it's going to do something that I don't want it to do when I ask it to do something, and then it's like,
yeah, but I've already done that before. I've said, don't do this, don't do that. I've done that before.
Sure, but it's going to start coding you, or it's going to start coding the program before you start telling it to do this or do that, depending on what it takes from. You could do that every time if you wanted to, but I just like a summary of what it's going to do before it starts trying to, or what its idea around what the fix is going to be.
I know what you're saying. Yeah. Which makes sense. Yeah, this JezzBall, I don't know how your JezzBall is working, but mine, I'm not very happy with what I've generated. It doesn't really.
It's working. I don't know why.
Yours
it's
is
not,
working.
but it was.
It was. Yeah, I know that's the problem. Well, it was working.
I wonder if I can just go back a few versions and see if it'll just fix itself.
I got 40 clicks from Google this month. Can you believe that?
Really?
It's horrible. Like, I'm not bragging. It's just like 40 clicks. That's just great. And 0 users currently on the site. That's so awesome.
Yeah.
Well, I'm doing it, and it's like when I do the job stuff, it's like they can ask, "What are you doing?" While I'm doing these things, so I can point to it as a kind of like a what it is that I'm doing. Yeah. And I know there are probably a million other ways I could be marketing, like using Reddit more often. That's just I don't want to get caught for like Reddit spam, That's the challenge.
Here we go. Now it's kind of working.
You got it? Yeah, it's at least better than mine was.
There's little problems with it, but
yeah. Oh yeah, that's definitely a problem there. Because I don't think that. What? And see, that's broken too. It should have gone full.
Well, it should have, yeah. It doesn't start that way, so it needs 2 connection points to actually make a whole piece, even though there is a line there. I think that's what it's doing.
And this is the long, tedious, updated SEO title optimize rigmarole that I go through. Like, optimize it, don't break it. If it breaks it, you got to roll it back.
But this is technically working.
Yeah, I mean, it technically. I wonder if there was another Kix is the name that I think I started. Like, when I iterated, a single page web app. That's the game QIX. Okay, hang on. If I go over to ChatGPT, which I do not use as much as I would like to, I haven't been using a lot, but write a better prompt for. There we go. It's going to be a little more specific. There we go. We're going to try that. Canvas. We'll do the same thing. Make a better prompt that explains and builds JezzBall, complete with mechanics and expectations. There we go. No. No, that's not what I said, is it? Oh yeah, it isn't. So JezzBall as a single page web app. The classic game. That builds the classic game JezzBall as a single page web app. Complete with original mechanics. There we go. Let me try that. If it even knows what the hell JezzBall is. No,
There, I just gave you my HTML for JezzBall, and you can iterate on that if
yeah,
you
I don't
want.
know, man.
It's
Yeah, go ahead. What the hell? There we go.
I know mine's just like
No.
practically working. It's not all the way there, but
I'm gonna try here. I'm gonna try a JezzBall, a fleshed out prompt here. Kick, start game. Oh, whoa! It got the whole. Here we go. Where's my? Oh, that's way too fast. What the hell? My character seems to be moving fast. How do I? Where or at all? I have no way of making lines. As I wait for that. Okay, is that good? Okay, now we're good. Absolutely right. Deferred tailwind. Okay, so do not defer tailwind, because I think this is an issue. So let me go ahead and add that to my SEO. Do not defer tailwinds if it's used. Okay. Here we go. Now okay, it's creating JezzBall there. Kicks. Oh, game over, play again. Alright. That's gonna get annoying. Cyberpunk is done. In the can. Wow, I feel like I accomplished something today. Oh, whoa! JezzBall Classic, check this out. What? Wait, how do I? Oh, I see.
yeah, you got the little balls and everything. Yeah.
Yeah, but how do I? Oh, right. Used to love this game.
I forgot. Was there a reason for the color difference in the balls?
I don't know. I remember there being color differences, but
Yeah, you too. Yeah.
see, this is what a better prompt can do. Explain the mechanics. I'm just seeing if it. Oh, Jesus. I remember this game so well. It's so funny. Oh my God. Talk about a blast from the friggin' past.
Yeah, right. It's like I just remembered it. It was like I have no idea why I even remembered it.
It's a JezzBall. Yeah. Oh, I knew that was a screw up. I got no choice. Oops. How am I not? Wait. Am I not dying ever? Yeah, it's not even letting me die. Okay.
Well, why you have God mode on?
I know. Lines should never stop midway on the game area. Completing to whatever edge. I'm pretty sure that's right. Yeah? No? Like, how did that work? Was I playing it right? I don't know.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, you trap them to a certain percentage.
Yeah, but how?
It goes
Like,
on to the
can
next
you
level.
go halfway though? That's what I'm saying. Like, look, I have to go all the way, but I can't go halfway. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's how it was supposed to be played.
Yeah, like this. But watch. Like, if I go, look, see that? It went all the way. Like see that? See how it went halfway? That doesn't make any sense.
Yeah, I don't think it's supposed to do that.
Yeah, I know. I know.
Yeah. It looks like what it's doing, though, as far as I can see right now, is it didn't go halfway. You had a line that didn't show up, because you see how your two balls there are bouncing on an invisible line?
No.
At the bottom.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. So it made that line, it just didn't show up.
See it. Yeah, I see. That makes a lot more sense. Okay. Complete JezzBall Classic. JezzBall? What do I call it? I don't know. It's like, you don't want to get like in trouble. I can't even remember my record. Didn't you only have like certain you had you only had like so many just like deaths, right?
Right, yeah.
Yeah. User should only be given 10 what would you call it?
Lives.
Okay. 10 lives. Okay. I love the font look at it, how it chose like retro, you know? I mean,
I was noticing that.
But okay, I feel that this is good. I like this. That's so funny. And you mentioned it, I'm like, yeah, I think I can do that. Don't prompt the user to start the next level. Just start it after saying the level is complete. Change background color behind the window to be a classic one with wallpaper color.
Yeah, because I was exploring just like, what are some old games that I used to play that I might be able to recreate, and it just happened to come. I haven't thought about that game in so long.
Crap. Give the user a fighting chance.
I believe the balls are supposed to speed up as you progress in your levels as well. And for all I know, that could have been the cause of the color change.
Yeah.
Color changes in the balls, the speed. Yeah, I got mine kind of working better too.
I remember they were like 3D balls. Okay, let's see here. So I got kicks. Okay. Oh crap! I couldn't see. Ah crap!
What the heck is going on in yours? Or is that not the?
Yeah. Better, but the player is auto moving on its own, and the flying spikes are moving so fast I can't easily complete even at a basic level. Moreover, the spark isn't moving. Here we are, retro time. All right, Cyberpunk is done. This is how I lose all my my tokens.
Yeah.
but Bucks Weaver. Hey, Chill. Hey, Francisco. All right, let's see how this works. Click to start game. Okay, click start game. Okay, I see it. You can't. Oh, I see. You just can't see it very easily. Ooh. Remove the buttons at the bottom of the screen. Make the game start when first clicking in the game area. Move the sound button to the oops. Yep. Okay, so JezzBall does work.
But see, like right there, I told it to go and make a change, and then it told me how it was going to go about that change, and it was completely wrong with how I actually wanted what I wanted. So I was able to redirect it.
Where can I put the sound? Move the sound button. Okay, there we go. That worked. Bucks Weaver.
There we go. Yeah, look, this is working much better now, so I can actually see the line regardless of whether it's
JezzBall.
Yeah.
All right, this is really buggy. I can't even play this. This is not playable.
What are you trying to play now?
Kicks. QIX.
Ah.
I want to say that this is how JezzBall was played even back when. Although the balls, if I remember correctly, were 3D.
Yeah, I think they were.
Look at that. Oof. This is great. This is great. I'm good. Like, I don't need any more. I'm like, this is exactly what I wanted. This is great. Oh my God. I don't think I need it any more than this. That's hilarious, dude. I wonder if someone owns the a copyright on it. This is just broken. This is not kicks. Describe it, and then make what you described. You know, sometimes I'll do that trick.
Yeah. I've done that too.
Especially iteration. Unbelievable! I got JezzBall. Thank you for the jog of memory lane.
Yeah, of course.
Engineer Gemini, based on specs from Chris Perillo. Boy, it really got commenty. I just love how like random it is with comments. Okay. Now make that game as a single page HTML app.
Okay, there you go. Take a look at my screen now. That's the
Where?
JezzBall that we were.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Yep. It's like it had the ball. They were 3D. I remember that, the white red 3D balls. You completed level 4, next level. Okay, so that did that, but okay, so did someone record like a video?
Yeah, I guess so. That's off of YouTube, so.
Okay, so the JezzBall did halfway. It's like if you completed half. Oh, that's why maybe it's got to go all the way or halfway. That's why. Okay, so.
Oh yeah. I didn't remember that.
Yeah, I remember. Like now, I remember now. It's in seeing it. Lives, time. Oh, it had a time too. Area cleared. I don't know. It's close enough. I don't think I'm going to get. Well, every game that we're doing is definitely mobile. Well, at least the ones that I'm building. Oops. Mobile. Oop. What? Did you change something? The title Bargot. Super tall. So the game mechanic is such that the line that's drawn may complete is, how do I explain this? The game mechanic is such that the line that's drawn from wherever it starts completes out from the center. If
I think a better way of describing that, if you're trying to get closer to it, is that you start off from your mouse click in two separate directions from the mouse click, horizontally or vertically. You have two separate colors, and if it hits one color, the other color stays in place.
Like if that's drawn from whatever it starts complete out from the line, 2 lines out from the middle. How do I say? The game mechanic is such that the line that's drawn from wherever, the line that's created from wherever, start from wherever. The game mechanic is such that the line that's created completes out from the middle of it. 2 lines are formed from that point, and if a ball hits one part of that line, that part disappears, but the other part completes its trajectory to the barrier unless, of course, touched by another ball before. Okay, here we go. That was my explanation. I don't know what the hell was going on here. Yeah, this is broken. This is broken too. Yeah, this is broken. I had it described, but it just did not. No, hang on. Okay. Okay. Describe the actual video game QIX, specifically gameplay, user expectations, user experience, game mechanics, visuals.
Yeah, that was kind of damn impressive that that it was able to go and take that single image from the side scroller and make that.
Yeah.
That was, yeah. Yeah, I mean, it did it basically perfectly. And I had actually only generated that like maybe 10 seconds before I sent it to you.
In the classic JezzBall, if a ball hit any part of the growing line, the entire wall attempt failed. This is because the core objective relies on successfully a partial wall where one half fails, the other completes, would create a dead end line instead of a larger area, but it wouldn't split it. This unfortunately breaks the area. Okay. Wow. It said no, but dude, I was. Whoa. Oof. I don't know how high I got with JezzBall, but I remember playing this so much.
Yeah, right? It was like pretty addictive.
All right. Share, copy. Instant ball was Constantinople. JezzBall. It's crazy. It's so funny. JezzBall. Oh, that's what I need to do. I need to get a screen cap. How does it play on mobile? How does this play on a touchscreen mobile? I haven't even been checking.
I think I remember this game too. Chips Challenge. I don't know if I played it all that much, but I think I remember how it looks. Sent you a picture of it.
Yeah, it'll have playability issues. Shit.
I tried to make a Lemmings game and it didn't really work out.
Oh, Lemmings has got to be freaking hard.
It kind of tried, but it didn't do it.
Yeah, Lemmings that's got to be tough, dude. Build a single page web app.
I wonder if I could make a Bomberman game.
Never played it.
No?
Mm-mm. So JezzBall will not be playable on mobile. Screw it. I'm not going to deal with it.
I bet I could make that. The mechanics of the game is really not hard. Huh.
The Gemini game, well, it's not a game creator per se, Francisco. It's just it's an AI tool. So no, I'm using Pro. Flash is available, but Pro I feel does a better job with the HTML games or apps. I mean, there are plenty of tools out there, but I always go for simplicity. Like, what's the basic, simple. So just based on that, I was able to get JezzBall going, which is crazy. View page source. Yeah, including HTML. Classic 90s Windows game. Was it? I guess it was kind of 90s. I remember playing it on Windows 95, I want to say. Crazy what you can do these days, man. It's just incredible. I want to play JezzBall. Okay, let me make it. Done. Nice. People are going to love that one. Okay. Did you work this time? Okay, after... Oh, that did not work. Too sped up. It's too fast. Okay. JezzBall is done. Let me move Shatter Lab down. I'm keeping these all in order. Keystroke Capers is the next one. Something went wrong. Yeah, really? You think? Hey, Dr. Love. Haven't tried Kimmy. Yeah, Francisco, if you go over to... and I don't know if I'm necessarily... A lot of what I'm building are... There's the arcade. Check it out. I don't know if a lot of what I'm building right now necessitates like anything heavy. Like Kimmy, being able to deploy to AWS. But I mean, it makes sense. I'm like, where are they going with it? I'm like, yeah, it totally makes sense because build and deploy, like absolutely streamline that stuff. Bolt does something somewhat similar with Netlify, and GitHub integration at least. Oh, that's cool. That's that Bomberman.
Yeah, well, yeah, it's actually working pretty well. Actually, it's working out very well so far.
Blah, blah, blah. Come on, keystroke. Oops.
Oh man, I killed myself. No. Oh. So the idea around this game is you're basically having opponents that are also doing the same thing that you're doing. You're trying to blow them up, and they're trying to blow you up.
Yeah.
And you get various different things throughout the level to like speed up and make your bomb stronger, or reach longer, that kind of thing. You've got walls here that the bombs can't penetrate, and so you can hide behind walls or get trapped by putting your own bombs down even, because you can't go past your own bombs.
Oh.
And that's what I did a second ago. I accidentally put a bomb down where I was and trapped myself in between 2 blocks.
See, I never played it. I used
It's
to play
very fun, especially if you're doing multiplayer.
I did another good Jumpman was another game that I loved on the C64, which they basically they're bringing Commodore back.
Yeah, I haven't tried it either. I haven't tried the Kimi AI yet either. I need to give it a try.
Everyone seems to be talking about it, but I don't know, man. Okay, that worked. That worked. Keystroke capers. It's a web toy. I like building web toys, I think.
I gotta make this thing peer-to-peer because we gotta try this at least once.
Yeah, see, the peer-to-peer I kind of gave up on.
Did you? Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so that's that. Bug.
Was it not working well for you, or you just don't want to mess with it?
What?
The peer-to-peer.
Yeah, it's just like I don't know if I mean, apart from hey, let me try this. I don't think a lot of people that are going to play the.
Sure, yeah, they probably won't. Yeah, use it too much.
Yeah, it just doesn't. What is this? This is Kinetic Craze. Blip, blip, blip. I hate this blip, blip, blip. Gotta get my next print going.
They actually made a ton of Bomberman games too.
You what?
They actually made a ton of Bomberman games.
Oh, different.
They made a lot of them.
Yeah. So gets Bigfoot. Did I put that in the common prints? No. Figures. Where is it? Cybertastic Cat, Sasquatch. I can do a 5x. Let's see, what time is it? 7:24. Let's do a 1x Sasquatch. Kind of wish I played it, you know? Because then it would make, you know.
Right, yeah.
I don't need support. Okay. Slice plate. Slice and dice them. Someone bought 4 Bigfoot figures the other day, which is pretty cool. So I'm printing more. Yeah, see, I mean, if I knew the game, I'd remember like how it played, as opposed to like I never played the game, so I don't know.
So I've got it pulled up right here, so you can kind of see what you do in it. But like all the levels are designed kind of differently. You have bombs that'll like follow you around depending on like what kind of pickups that you get, or you can go and like walk across blocks that you normally wouldn't be able to depending on the pickup that you get.
Not be able to.
Let's see. Let me see if I can. Here, I'll show you the very beginning ones. Like this is the very beginning ones.
Area. I'm seemingly making diagonal lines versus just horizontal and vertical.
You could put down like a bomb mine that would like follow your enemies around to destroy them.
I completed an area, but it wasn't completed. Why? Why are these completed areas orange? Claimed, I should say. Vortex. Scramble. Wave.
I never played this one.
Jitter. Rain. That's cool. That works. Kinetic craze, description, keywords. Never played what one?
This one that I'm showing on screen right now. I never played this version of it, but like it looks like in this one, when you die, you can come back as a person that's on the sidelines that can still throw bombs down on the map.
Well, all my SEO is awesome here, I guess.
I'm actually kind of excited about getting this working, if I can.
Did I did get it right. Okay, great. Connected craze is done. That seems to work. Yep. Okay. No, you lied. You liar! Liar! Spark. I moved through the spark without dying. I can no longer create claimed areas. I can seemingly that was not just okay.
I forgot about that mechanic. Wow. You can place a bomb down. If you get a certain pickup, you can actually push the bombs around too.
What else am I doing? Wait, hang on. That's not something you just created?
No. This is what the game actually is.
Okay. I was like, damn, dude, what prompt did you use?
Yeah, right? It was a prompt like 200 pages long. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I guess. Jesus.
Now you say that's the power of pre-prompting.
Blip, 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 blip. That's going to get old. I might have a finished kicks here after I continue to flesh out. Like the first time I tried to create it, it was like one of the first things I tried to do. I think, what's a cool game that I haven't played? Kicks. Jumpman Jr. was awesome. Although that I think is going to be infinitely more complex to recreate. So I don't want to recreate.
Have you ever had it like stuck on still thinking after it already coded it?
Yeah.
What I'd really like to figure out is how I could generate assets for games and then implement them in. Like ones that make sense.
I think I got a kicks.
Yeah?
Yeah. This is kicks. I think I got it. Maybe. That's a bug. I think I'm gonna keep fleshing this one out because I hadn't even tried until tonight. Hang on, yo.
Yeah, you're good.
Friggin' spammer. All right, let's see here. What do we got? This is the Zen Garden. Bloop, 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 bloop. Okay, Zen Garden works.
Wow.
Oh, come on. It still has my old blog link, which redirects, but it works at least. Okay. Come on, Kicks. It starts at black. Okay, here we go. I can't create lines again. I can no longer create lines again. Seems like it's waffling back and forth on what it needs to fix. Aquaforce. This is just dumb, but it's a thing.
These bots that I put in here are really, really bad at playing this game.
Well, up it, like make it more of a challenge, man. It's flashing. Stop. Yeah, this has got to be a Gemini bug, man. Can't imagine them not fixing it, because if you're hitting it, and I am too, where it rebuilds and says error, because it's like it's trying to refresh the canvas intermittently.
Right. Yeah.
Come on. There we go. Nope. Blip. Don't ask me why. But it's just a fun little stupid thing. Great. Good enough. Someone might like it, someone might not, but it's a thing. Aquaforce complete.
Yeah, see, look at my screen now. It's, yeah.
What, your game? Yeah, no, it does that. You're on preview, so if you flip the code and then turn off,
Yeah.
it'll crash. JavaScript will crash because it's doing something.
I also kind of wonder why when you scroll to the bottom as it's generating code, it'll stay there for like a second, then it'll get stuck.
That's a good question. This crop circle, man, this app almost killed me. There's a lot you can do with a single HTML file. Hopefully I got everything right. Tonight is just housekeeping, you know. Well, apart from making JezzBall and kicks, I guess.
I can put 5 bombs down now. Oh, that was close.
Crap, it hit me. What?
No! Oh. I killed myself. That's one of the other fun things about this game. It's actually so easy to kill yourself.
I almost need to say warn on JezzBall, game is not playable on mobile. Warn users on touch or mobile that the game is optimized for keyboard experiences.
No. Oh. Ah. Can't believe I did that. I'm killing myself more than they're killing me.
Let's see here. What else do I need to add?
Oh, because I put 2 there.
Okay, let's try that. I'm going to hit my limit here soon, I'm sure. All right, crop circle, draw. Draw a crop circle. You're contacting the aliens. Look at that.
Aliens are the ones who are supposed to be making them.
That's what I'm saying. They're contacting me. I'm contacting the aliens. And then they make them. And then I hit refresh. Contacts the aliens. The old crop circle fades away. New crop circle comes in. Just stupidity. I may end up coming back to this one eventually, but I mean, it does well enough right now. I'm not going to complain about it too much. Okay, but let's... I don't want to open up more than one here. Did it go? For what we have, are we taxing building overkill with respect to what's rendered or seen? For example, we're so far zoomed out from the crop circle that all these fine rendered points are lost to the screen. Things we can't even see. Okay, that's going to be sound stupid, but I'm trying to optimize the performance, which I'm still not thrilled about. Come on, Kicks, do your thing. Oh, Nan claimed Nan. I button. Shit, shoot. Oh, crap, it hit me. Needs to be smaller and in the upper right corner. Yep. I'm building a Kicks. Based upon that, could we, without losing quality? This is where I start like taking a nosedive in terms of optimizing something that was already built. found it at the end of one of the aisles. I'm 3D printing so many cool things for whatever it's worth. Right now, I'm doing another Bigfoot because I sell Bigfoot figures. That reminds me, whatever you're playing, it reminds me of Warlords.
Yeah, I don't know if I ever played that.
It reminds me a lot of it. Okay, so
Warlords. Oh, I think I remember this game.
see if I can fix this. Oh, shoot. Not good. Did I get a syntax error? I bet I did. Google, fix this bug. Crop circles at least work. I'm probably going to go down the rabbit hole in terms of making a fix, but destroying everything else.
Don't do it.
Wait here. Is this broken? Is it really broken? It's really broken. This was an app that was buggy. It took me a while to get it to a stable state.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a typo. Okay. What? Why did things get shifted?
Looks kind of like Tron.
Yeah, light cycles. Did you ever play Kicks?
No, I didn't.
It's very much kind of like it's a JezzBall type. Ooh, what the hell? Didn't complete. It's very JezzBall-ish. JezzBall.
Is that thing attracted to you as you're
no? It's just a
going
random.
around?
No, it's a random. And I claim 75. Okay, so but the problem is like everything seems shifted right now. Why is the ah? Ugh. Optimizing some layout crap. That seems to be working again. Contacting aliens. There you go. This is me optimizing. This is me tweaking. You've spotted some subtle but important layout issues. No shit. Really? Really?
Yeah, one of the interesting things about this game is that as time goes on, if it reaches past a certain amount, the level will actually start shrinking down. So you come to a point where it will kill you off.
Can you get it in a window as opposed to sharing the screen? Because when you share the screen, it takes up the whole. It takes up.
Yeah.
The area. All right, kicks. Let's do this. Iterating kicks. Oh, crap. But still generating. Okay.
There you go.
Here we go. Perfect. No, it's still sharing the screen. There we go. No. This, there. Yeah, but and then I can't see you. Okay. You have to add the extra camera, I think.
Okay.
Wow. I don't know if it's just me, but the verbosity of 2.5 Pro is a little better. Maybe it's just this moment, but yeah, I'm really adjusting the. Okay, here we go. Trying it again. Populating the crops. Contacting the aliens. Analysis. Analysis. Analysis? Is it loading your video? Is it stuck? Reclaiming fix, use color change, can pick a suggested. Area is still not able to be claimed after a successful completion. Subtle visual bug. It's not subtle. It's boy, the verbosity of this is just, oh, you were there and then gone.
Yeah, it froze on me for some reason when I added it.
Did you fix it?
Yeah,
Said it, fix it.
right
Okay,
now.
fix it. Okay, fix it. It's funny. Sometimes it says, oh, the fix is this. Okay, well then do it. Yeah, Gemini is being very funky today.
There you go. Should be there now.
Come on, it's still not going. Why is it not completing? Come on. Okay, fix. Work. Oh my God. Tell me. This looks crappier than before, but let's see what we got. Never mind. I'm going down the rabbit hole. This crop circle game. I'm telling you, this crop circle app, I may give up on it. Because, like, I mean, it's done, but it's a little buggy still.
I got my camera in, by the way.
Oh, you do? Sorry. Oh, you do. I see you. I see you. Okay, let me move you over there. Okay.
Yeah, like when I'm generating code, sometimes it's like something went wrong with your code, but then when it gets done, it's like, oh wait, never mind. Hmm. Oh, interesting. Hmm. Oh wait, did I do that? I can't hear you.
Sorry, no, I'm doing something else.
Oh, you're fine.
Come on, create the circle. Create a circle. Contact the aliens. This is just crappy. This is even worse. This is how I got caught up in the snags last time. It was just one mess after another.
Yeah, yeah.
Nope. Nope. I'm gonna run out of tokens soon, guaranteed.
Did you end up checking out the OpenAI agents thing they did this today?
Not yet.
Yeah, they did a live stream today. You getting anywhere with it?
I'm trying to type. I'm typing something else. Sorry. This is where I said I
Gotcha.
knew that I'd be like paying attention to anything else.
No, yeah, you're all good.
Thank you.
Stop trapping me.
Crap, it's doing it again. This damn corner bug. This has happened before. Sorry, I was wrapped up in typing crap.
No, you're fine.
Use the fix method by applying the fix. Yeah, no. Why are the crops a different color in the corner? Okay, give me a second. BRB, bourbon.
Nice.
Damn this flashing.
I'm sorry?
Damn this flashing.
Oh, the flashing, yeah.
This crop circle app. I'm having fun with it, but damn. Oops, no, hit that code. Is it gonna work this time? Nope. I've had this issue with the crop circle thing before, app too.
Yeah.
I have a feeling it's still going to be the same. Let's find out. Okay. So far, so good. So far, so good. Draw the circle. Draw the crop circle, damn it. Draw it.
Do it. Do it.
Do it. Do it. We'll do it live. As soon as it starts drawing the crop circle.
Do it. Oh man, I killed myself.
Ah, dang this. Google, fix this bug. Okay, work. Dude, what did you break? What the hell did you break? However many... This is where Gemini's starting to get stupid. This is where it stops me, like where I'm like, okay, I was in a groove, and then I'm like, yeah, let me see if I can fix that, and then this is what happens. And I had this issue with the crop circle app. And I should probably move on, but you know me. And now
I'm going to be on this one for a while.
Bomberman?
I'm actually having too much fun making this, yeah.
Isn't that funny how it just kind of... Hey, Fusion developer. Sorry.
I've got a lot of other plans for this game as well that I want to implement, but it's going to take a while to get there.
Iterative. All right, we got new logic for kicks. Let's see what happens.
I'll be right back.
Yep. Okay, work. Nope. You didn't do shit. This is where I start getting angry. I'm like, you didn't do anything. Oh, I fixed it. No, you didn't. Don't gaslight me. Don't lie to me. That's what's going on here. Is it stuck? What happened? Nothing happened. I'm not angry, but I'm just agitated. Yo.
Sorry, I'm not going to be able to hear you for a second.
Work this, work it. Did it work? Let's find out.
So I'm going to remove this.
I'm about to take this to Gemini.
There we go. I should be able to hear you.
Oh, now you can hear me? You can hear me? No? Yes?
Yeah, I should be able to hear you.
Happy day. Hey, Disc 105. Oh, Disc 105, thank you for the raid. My fellow retro boy. I'm doing a Kix starter. No, a Kix clone app thing. And earlier I did, where is it? Earlier tonight I did a JezzBall.
I can't hear you. I'm hearing music, but I'm not hearing you.
JezzBall? Disc 105, sorry, I like missed the raid. I've been okay. Are you going to order the new Commodore? I don't know if I necessarily have it in my budget. Oops. I mean, not like it's a huge expensive computer, but like, what am I going to do with it? Where am I going to put it? Where's it going to go? What's it going to do? The new C64? I'm excited, don't get me wrong. But anyway, so the JezzBall app game thing will be online soon.
That doesn't make any sense.
Right now, I'm trying to finish this crop circle game as well as the Kix game. And Gemini is being really flaky tonight. All right, let's see what happens. My crop circle app. Ski free? I don't remember ski free. I don't remember that. What the F diggity is this? This is where I start yelling at it. What the F? What the F? They're not exactly perfect crop circles, but yeah, maybe one day. That's where I start saying, "Lol, want to bet?" When I tell it it's fired. Come on, you flashy piece of... This is the definitive fix, it says one more time. It always says, this is the definitive fix. I fixed it. No, you haven't. You haven't done. You haven't done nothing. You haven't done squat. And this is what happens when I start building. Like, is this? And then it's going to say, you've run out of credits for the day. And I'm like, okay, well, I give up for now. I feel I can get Kix working again, though. I do feel I can figure out what's going on. All right. One and done. One Bigfoot done. Here I was thinking I was going to be only for an hour. Let's see here what we got. Again, I'm truly sorry. No, you're not. You're an AI. You're not sorry. You don't know what sorry is. All right, crop circle. Okay. We got crop circle. We have crop circle. We have viable crop circle. What did I want? Like the performance. I think that was the performance that I was asking for initially. Contact aliens. You know, this is junior dev level. Imagine what happens when this shit hits senior dev level. You know what I mean? All right, here we go. This is where I go to Claude. I say, Claude, what the hell is Gemini screwing up? Okay, wait. Stop. Yeah, don't fix anything. What do I need to fix? Okay, there we go. Copy. There we go. There you go, you twit. Oh, look at this. I asked it, I said, are you effing with me? No, I am absolutely not. I am failing, and I sincerely apologize. Are you effing with me? I ask it. I'm abandoning the entire approach. Okay. Oh, my print's done. Let me hang on. This is worth $5. What time is it? 8. I may start wrapping here soon. Not like a rapper, but... Thank you for providing a clear and accurate background breakdown. You know. See, again, it's junior level. It ain't senior. But someday it'll be senior. One day. One day this stuff... Contact the aliens. Let's see if we got the shading right. Work, damn you. All right, kicks. Let's see what you got. Nope. There we go. Got it. Finally works. Okay. That finally works. Oh, crap. Oh, whoa. Barely. Level 1 clear. Next level. There we go. Okay, I got my kicks working. Bark. Oh, crap. Oh. Layout of the text is really clumped, squished together. Hard to discern. Need to train font the icon should be smaller and not in the same horizontal menu. Put it in the upper right corner instead. There we go. Okay, kicks is mostly fixed. Wind is gone. Shadows are gone. Sloppy patterns are gone. All right, what do we have? Contacting aliens. Is wind truly gone? It's great, but need to increase the contrast between the crops and the actual crop circle. Let's see here. What do we got here? If I do this, reset. Oh, hang on. Pixel dropped. Oh, thanks, Disc. Sorry, I missed you 5 minutes ago. I got caught up in this stuff. I'm going to get cut off here soon, I bet. What? other areas got claimed fine. Put game over on the same line. The icon is still large and interfering with the score bar. The how to play dialogue is really vertically cramped. It's gonna time me out. I just know it is. Come on, work, damn you. Work, be free, Shamu. All right, I am probably going to pop out. Pixel dropped. He may have been having ISP issues. Let's figure out what's going on here. Sorry, I had to do something there. Did it work? Okay, there we go. That's not bad. Contacting aliens. Here we go. New field. New stocks. Contacting aliens. All right. I'm liking this. All right, seems like crop circles is substantially better. There we go. Done, done, and done. Done, done, and doner. Oh, no worries, Pixel. I'm about to pop out anyway. 2 hours is an hour longer than I was planning on going. But I'll be back. I mean, these apps will be uploaded here to the arcade soon. Oh, whoa. What the hell? Did I get a race condition? What is going on here? Don't you hate when that happens? Area, hang on. Ooh. Dialogue spacing and more vertical spacing. There we go. Game over text. Let me hit the spark. The spark should be moving randomly. Spark should be moving randomly, and the player avatar is not quite on the gray line here. Gray lines should always be the same thickness, include on the perimeter. The how to menu is still entirely too thin. There we go. Ooh, I didn't point that other thing out. Sri Yantra? Oh man. I'm just gonna be making crop circles over here. Crap circles.